You see, this summer is the most amazing summer at Blue Ocean Sands Restaurant and Bar. Why? Because we double the love, we double the experience, we double the entertainment, and we double the vibes. And with that, you get the best customer service. So, as you can see, we're here with Irie FM for the grand opening of Blue Ocean Sands Restaurant and Bar.
I have with me my very first guest, and he's CEO here at Blue Ocean Sands Restaurant and Bar, Mr. Delva Dixon. Hello, Mr. Dixon. Well, we meet out there already on talk and tea, but now you're live on Irie FM. Welcome, thanks for having us.
You're welcome.
So, how are you doing today?
Great.
Alright, moving on, I have a second guest, and with me now, I have Selfi TV boss, show host in the house.
Selfi TV! No cassette, no CD, no DVD. DJ Amber, what's up?
I'm here, man, so I see you're very excited because later on you'll be hosting this show. I didn't tell them who I'm yet, so no host it yet, right? But I'll tell them in the next link where I keep them in a suspense.
Yeah.
But tell us about why people should come on later on, and even now they want to get something to eat, chill up for a bit. Why is this the spot?
Because not only that, but the venue is the perfect place for Little Hero album launch and other events.
Now the artist we refer to is Sentan's very own Hero. Hey Hero, good afternoon.
That's all here.
Selfi TV, and we are watch.